Hello everybody, this is Daniel. Welcome to a new MA tips video. Today I want to show you a nice small workflow to stop running phases, especially when you're busking. So what you can see here, that there is a mirrored circle running already, so a nice symmetrical circle with my moving heads over there. And this running circle, this is a relative circle, so of course when I change some position presets, you can see it here, this relative circle will continuously running around the new absolute positions. But what if I want to stop this relative circle now? I could not just select this preset, this position preset once, but I can do a double tap on that. So when I do a double tap on the center preset, you can see that the fixtures stop running the circle. So you can see in our encoder bar, we have this new position of the center preset, and we stopped our relatively running circle. Let's go back, and for example, we add a programmer time here as well. So we enable our programmer time. We say it's around 2 seconds maybe. And we again double tap this center preset. Of course, it will take the program time and move to the center preset in these 2 seconds. So I think a nice workflow for busking especially. Please keep in mind that this double tap on a preset, it's not the same as you would set the stomp command. So let's have a look if you stomp this running circle. So you know that especially relative circles, we can stomp there. And we can use this stomp command to write it in our queues to stop the running circle for some different queues. So when we go to our command section and we hit the stomp key and say stomp on the position, what happens that it sets the relative layer automatically to 0. This is not happening with the double tap workflow, but especially the double tap workflow can help you while busking, and the stomp workflow will help you when you deal with your phases in sequences. So have a look at that. Hope you like it, and see you next time for the MA tips.